guys, my name is Raven Dover and I'm back with a new project today. Today I am teaching you how to do a DIY balloon spiral column without a stand, without weights, without any support. Let me show you. It's so lightweight, you can just pick it up, right? So today I'm going to show you exactly what you need and how to put this project together so you can be able to create a balloon column with little to no materials. The only thing you would need is a pair of scissors, balloon strings, the balloon colors that you need, and that's it. You don't need stands, you don't need weights, you don't need anything. So if you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. Follow me, guys. To begin this DIY project, you would need an electric balloon pump. I purchased this off of Amazon. And then you would need balloons. I decided that I wanted to use two different colors, so I purchased a pink chrome and a turquoise, and now I'm going to blow two balloons up at the same time. That's the benefit of having this electric pump. You can actually blow the balloons up at the same time, and while you're blowing it up, tie them together. Please do not tie them individually. The idea is for you to tie both of the balloons together, and once you do that, you just put them off to the side, because after you blow all the balloons up and you pair them off, then you're going to grab one color, which is turquoise, and then you're going to grab the second color, which is pink chrome, and then you're going to tie them together so you can make a quad balloon. And while you're tying them together, you have to make sure that they're going to be the opposite. So it has to be pink, turquoise, pink, turquoise. You don't want two pinks on the left and two turquoise on the right. You want to make sure that it's pink, turquoise, pink, turquoise. And of course, if you have different colors, just make sure it's every other color. So now I'm just going to grab the balloon string and I'm going to place the first quad on the floor. Once you create the quad balloons, they're not going to always lay flat like that, so sometimes you just have to grab it and rearrange it, and then you have to stack them on top of each other. And then after you stack it on top of each other, what you do is you grab the balloon string and then you start looping it throughout the entire project. So just make sure you always loop the first two balloons together, and you keep doing it with all the other balloons. So that's basically what you do, and then you have to make sure that you draw the string tight. At the end of this video, you're going to see that I created two balloon columns. I got too tired when I got to, it's a very easy tutorial, nothing to be tired of, but I did this project very, very late. I did like around 2 o'clock in the morning. So when I got to the second one, I forgot that I had to keep drawing the strings very tight. So just make sure that you tighten it up just so you won't be able to see the strings in between the balloon column. And that's basically what the tutorial is. It's very easy, nothing to study or anything like that. You just basically stack them on each other. And a trick that I would suggest is that, being that I have my camera, I can see what I'm doing because I have a flip-up screen. So when you're doing it, if you don't have if you're not recording it, use a mirror so you can be able to guide yourself on how to stack it, because you want to be able to see the spiral design once you're stacking it on top of each other. And that's basically it. You just continue to stack it throughout the whole project, and you just make it as tall or as short as you want it to be, and that's basically it. So continue to watch, because I have a part 2 to this video. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this tutorial. So I showed you how to create a basic balloon column. So now I'm teaching you how to add small balloons just so you can give the balloon column some definition or a little decoration so you can make it pop if you don't want a basic one. So all you really need is dots and small balloons. You can use the same colors that you use to create the balloon column, or you can use a different color. So I'm creating a unicorn theme. So I'm using I use turquoise and pink chrome as my basic for my basic balloons, and then I'm going to make it pop by adding purple balloons. I didn't use the electric pump to blow these balloons up. I actually just blowed it up with my mouth because I didn't want it to be too big. So all you really have to do is create 2 different sizes of the balloons. I created that small balloon, and then I created another size that's a little bit smaller, the one that I just showed you. And all you do is apply the sticky dots to the back of the balloon. Make sure when you're placing the balloon on the balloon column, you don't see the part where you tie it off at. You don't see that part sticking out. Make sure you tuck it inside. And that's basically all that you do. And you can use different color, different sizes, and you can also create clusters. I'm going to create another video showing you a different method of how to add different size balloons and also how to create clusters. It's very easy, but I also thought this was easy for some people who don't know that you can use sticky dots to add the balloons on. But I also have a second way that I would like to show you of how you can add different size balloons to a balloon arch or balloon column or anything, or any other project that you might have. And that's basically it. That's all you have to do so you can bedazzle your balloon column. And thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment down below. I'll be glad to answer them for you. And please subscribe to this channel because I have a lot more in store for you guys. Bye guys.